पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So namespace was derived from this chant sloka from Sanskrit. Hello friends, I'm Vatsal Thakkar and I'm here to explain you about this office namespace. Theme of this office is revolving around the Vitruvian man's image. In the entrance, we have created a metal artwork of the office area is in pure geometrical design, but to break that monotony, we have angled one wall of the entrance, which is completely cladded with copper plates. When you move forward, there are two tables of metal, which is for contractors and vendors to discuss with our engineers in the office. Basin is also made up of same marble, but with a slates of Italian marble glued together in different thickness, and it was kept vertically on that side supports and in the. Our idea is to create a mystery in the office, so we have camouflage almost all the doors of the office. Even storage doors are also camouflaged with the paneling. So when you see it, otherwise it looks like paneling all around, but there are doors, shutters for storages. Lighting in the office plays major role. We have chosen a light which is literally invisible. The name of the light is Pardu. The Pardu means invisible in Italian language. So we have used Pardu light in common area and conference and main cabin. Principal designer's cabin has best of garden view, which was the primary concern, to get the view of garden when working in the cabin. So in one side there is garden one side and there is conference to the other side. In front of the cabin there is a studio. Highlight of the studio is that we have created a metal planter on the ceiling which has beautiful indoor plant to create the kind of ambience for creative people. Best part of the office is that 50% of the floor space area is occupied by beautiful garden, and we have developed it in such a way that we can use it in a day-to-day life. When you come out to the terrace, in the right side there is a table which is used for our lunch, and we can have some open conference or meetings also. In the left there are sofa chairs, outdoor sofa chairs, which we can use for informal sitting, and after that platform there is a depression, 4-5 inch depression, and there is one screen, a jali block screen, and behind that jali screen there is a table for principal designer, so he can work in the nature without any disturbance from the main office. And in front of that table there is a waterfall which he can enjoy while working, or staff can also see that waterfall, and from director's cabin inside there is a view of that waterfall. Space for me is infinite possibility.